What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Tears the Tech again, man. Coming at y'all with another video. Just wanted to show y'all the before, you know what I'm saying? The before video of how ugly these lights is on my truck, Silverado, for the transformation. Got that mud busted right there. They all dull and ugly. Got a little crack. Thought it was a little crack. But yeah, man, it's just the before the transformation, man. Before I put the new headlights on there. So y'all stay in tune, man. I'll be back soon, man. Just tune in. Alright, man, I'm back, man. Back to show y'all the aftermath, man. Just got done with it, knocked it out real quick. Show y'all the new look, lit aftermath of it, man. That's it right there, man. Look better. Still need a new grill or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get that next. But yeah, headlights from Amazon and the bulbs from Amazon. I get everything from Amazon, man. It's cheaper and it come faster, man. 'Cause you know I'm Amazon Prime. So yeah, let me show y'all with the lights on, man. There it is, man. It's 8,000. Medium blue, man. HIDs. They look decent, man. Now, last time I had them on Tahoe, I had them 10,000. Yeah, these 8,000, they don't look too bad, man. Well, that's it, man. I'll see y'all soon again, man. Show y'all what it look like at night. I'll holler at y'all, man. Yeah, man. So I'm back, man. And it's finally nighttime, so let me show y'all how they look at night. Yeah, man. That's how they look at night. Yeah. That ain't pretty decent, man. I got my tag lights back there. The LEDs. That was kind of funny because the lens dirty on it. But yeah, man. That's it. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Tears the Tech out.